Welcome back. We were learning operations on polynomials, and in last video we have learned that how we can add the polynomials. Okay, when we were learning that how we can add the polynomials, we faced through one thing, that how we can add the terms with opposite sign and with same signs, and how we can multiply the terms with same signs and opposite sign. Let's repeat it, and then we will start the subtraction on polynomials. Okay, if we have to add a positive term into a positive term, we will add them. If we have a positive term and the other one is a negative term, then we will subtract them. And if we have a negative term and the second one is first term positive term, then we will again subtract them. And if we have both negative terms, then we will add them. Or simply you can say that if both the terms have same sign or both the terms are of same nature, then we will add them. And if both the terms are of different nature, then we will subtract them. Okay, same operation with multiplication, that if you are going to multiply the same nature of term, then we will put the positive sign in product. And if we have to multiply the opposite signs, then we will put negative sign. Again, if there are opposite signs, then we'll put negative sign, and if there are same sign, negative term, then it will give us a positive term. Okay, let's start operations on polynomial, and we have to learn subtraction. Like addition, to subtract the polynomials, always remember that only like terms can be subtracted together. Okay, what you have to remember, that as in addition we were adding the like terms, similarly we will add the like terms or subtract the like terms. Okay, it also can be performed in two ways, again horizontal and vertical. So we will discuss the subtraction horizontally and then vertically, and we'll see the examples that how we can subtract the polynomials. Okay, one thing that you have to note, that subtraction problem can be worded as, how can a subtraction problem can be worded? Okay, it may be worded as find the difference, or how much one is greater or less than the other, or what can be added to one expression so that we can get the other expression. Okay, so going to the examples and the methods or ways that how we can subtract the polynomials. So first one, the horizontal. How we can subtract the polynomials horizontally? You have to write one expression and then put negative sign. Okay, put the one expression and then put negative sign. After that, write the other expression, which is we have to subtract in parenthesis. Okay, we will do it in the example. And then what you have after doing the first step, you have to open the parenthesis and change the sign of each term of second expression. So let's do it. What is the first step? It is to write one expression, then put negative sign, and after that write the other expression which is to be subtracted. Okay, look at the example. What it is stated as, it is stated that subtract 3x plus 2y minus 5z plus 1 from 2x plus 3y minus 9z plus 11. It means we have to subtract the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So first we will write the second polynomial, and after that we will subtract the first polynomial from this. So let's start. Okay, first write first polynomial. Sorry, second polynomial we will write first. 2x plus 3y minus 9z plus 11. Now we have to subtract the first polynomial from this. So minus, put the negative sign and write the expression which is to be subtracted in parentheses, which is 3x plus 2y minus 5z plus 1. Now what we have to do? Open the parentheses and change the sign of each term. Open the parentheses. Okay, take them off, and then change the sign of each term of second expression. Okay, let's do it. First expression will come as it is. 2x plus 3y minus 9z plus 11. Open the parentheses, take them off. Now 3x is positive, so here it will be negative. 2y is positive, so here it will be minus 2y plus minus 5z is negative, it will be positive, and 1 is positive, so it will become negative. Now we have to simplify this expression. So what we will do, we will group the like term, and then we will group the like term, and then we'll add their coefficients. So let's start. Let's do it. 2x minus 3x plus 3y minus 2y minus 9z plus 5z plus 11 minus 1. Now add the coefficients. 2 minus 3x plus 3 minus 2y plus minus 9 plus 5z plus 11 minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. You know how it is. Plus, sorry, here it is. 3 minus 2 is 1y plus minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4z plus 11 minus 1. Now it is minus x plus y minus 4z plus 10. So this is the subtraction. Okay, now going to the next example. Hope so you will understand this. Now going to the next example. What is it? This, how much 5p cube r plus 2 by 5p square q square r square minus p cube q cube r cube is less than, how much this one is less than the other one. So which one will be greater and which one will be less? As in subtraction, what we do, we subtract the smaller term from the larger one. Okay, so first we will look which one is greater and which one is smaller. So as we are saying that how much this one is less, it means this one is less and the other one is greater. So first we will write the greater term, which is minus 8 by 5 p square q square r square plus 10 by 3 p q r, and we have to subtract the other one, which is 5 p q r plus 2 by 5 p square q square r square minus p cube q cube and r cube. Now what we have to do, take off the parentheses and change the sign. Minus 8 by 5 p square q square r square plus 10 by 3 p q r minus 5 p q r minus 2 by 5 p square q square r square and plus p cube q cube and r cube. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to group the like terms, p square q square r square and p square q square r square and PQR and PQR. So we will write the like terms, 8 by 5 p square q square r square minus 2 by 5 p square q square r square plus 10 by 3 PQR minus 5 PQR and plus PQ Q cube and R cube. Now add the coefficients, minus 8 by 5 minus 2 by 5 P square Q square R square plus 10 by 3 minus 5 p q r and p cube q cube and r cube. Now minus 8 by 5 and minus 2 by 5, as the denominators are same, therefore we will add the numerators. Then minus 8 minus 2 will be minus 10 by 5 p square q square r square plus, and there are the denominators are different, so we will use the butterfly method. How we will add, just simply what you have to do is, here it is 10 by 3 and minus 5 by 1. What you have to do, just multiply 3 with the opposite numerator, 1 with the opposite numerator, and write it in the denominator. 1 multiply 10 minus 3 multiply 5 and divide it with the product of denominators, which is 3 multiply 1. Now it is 10 minus 15 by 3 and will come minus 5 by 3. So it is minus 5 by 3 p q r plus p cube q cube and r cube. Hope you will understand. Okay, move to the next topic. So we have learned that how to add the polynomials, how to subtract the polynomials horizontally. What you have to do, you have to write one expression and then put negative sign, and after that write the other expression which is to be subtracted in the parentheses, After writing this statement, what you have to do, you have to take off the parenthesis and change the sign of second term as we have done in both these examples. Okay, now we are going to subtract the polynomials vertically. Now what you have to do to subtract the polynomials vertically, you have just to arrange like terms one below the other, same as you have done in addition, and then change the sign. This one is different, that change the sign of each term of bottom expression. What you have to do, change. The first step is same like addition, that you have to arrange like terms one below the other. After that, you have to change the sign of each term of bottom expression. Okay, and after that you have to add the coefficients. So let's start. We have to subtract the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So we will write the second polynomial first, 9y plus 3x minus 2z. This one is extra. Okay, now we have to subtract this. So first term is 7x, oh sorry, here it is x, 3x. Okay, we have to subtract 7x. The first term will write right below 7x, minus 6y below 9y, plus 3z below 2z. Now what will it become? Okay, we have written the polynomials, the terms just like term one below the other. Now we will change the sign of each term of bottom expression. As it is negative, so we will change it to positive. This is a positive term, we will change it into a negative term. This one is positive and we will change it into a negative term. Okay, let's start. After that, we have to add the coefficients. Now this is a positive term, so positive and positive terms will be added together. 9 plus 6, what it will be? It will 15y, and greater has a 30, and 9 has a positive sign, so there will be a positive sign. Okay, positive term and a negative term, there is two terms of different nature, so we will subtract them, and it will be 4x. 7 minus 3 will be 4x, and as 7 is greater number and it has a negative sign, so we will put negative sign. Okay, both minus 2z and 2z and 3z have same nature, so we will add them. 2 plus 3 will be 5z, and we'll put a negative sign as 3 is greater and it has a negative sign. Hope you will understand. Okay, now going to the next example, what it is stated. It states as, oh, this one is interesting. So we have to subtract 4x plus 6 minus 2x square from the sum of x cube plus x square minus 2x and 2x cube plus 3x minus z, 7. So first we have to subtract this polynomial from sum of these two polynomials. So first what we will do, okay, we will add the sum, we will add these two polynomials and find sum, and after finding the sum we will subtract the first polynomial. Okay, let's start. First we will add the second two polynomials. X cube plus x square minus 2x. How we will add? We will write the like term just below the other. The first one is 2x cube, so below x cube. The next term is plus 3x, so below minus 2x. And the next term is minus 7, and there is no constant in the first polynomial, so we will write it away from the polynomials. Okay, now this one is positive, this one is positive, and nature of both the terms is same, so we'll add them. 2 and 2x cube and 1x cube will give you 3x cube with a positive sign, and there is no term, so we'll write it as it is, and then different nature, so subtract them. 3 minus 2 will be 1x and the sign will plus, and minus 7 as there is no term to add in it. Okay, we have find the sum. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract this polynomial from this sum. So write the polynomial which is to be subtracted. 4x plus 6 minus 2x square. 4x, right below 1x, it is 4x, plus 6 right below minus 7, and minus 2x square just right below x square. Now as there is no term, so we'll write 3x cube as it is with positive sign. Okay, nature of both these terms, x square and minus 2x square, is different, so we'll subtract them. 2 minus, as it is only 1x square, so 2 minus 1 will be 1x square with a negative sign as greater has authority. Okay, sorry, wait, we have forget one thing. We are going to subtract this polynomial and we didn't change the sign. We have to change the sign to subtract the second polynomial. So what will be the sign? And the first one is negative, so it will become positive. The second one is positive, so it will become negative, and the third one is positive, so it will become negative. Okay, now add them. 3x square cube will be as it is, as there is no term to add. Now plus x square and plus 2x square will be 3x square. Okay, the first one is positive and the other one is negative, nature is different, so we'll subtract. 4 minus 1 will be 3x with sign minus, and minus minus same nature, so we'll add them. 7 plus 6 will 13 with negative sign. Okay, hope you understand. The practice assignment is added in PDF form. Hope you will learn well. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.